If you keep getting failed to switch because this account is not connected to any other game data while changing your account on your Mobile Legend game, then follow these two advanced troubleshooting guides to solve your problem. So let's get started. First, delete previous data from your account. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Google, tap Manage your Google account. Swipe to Security, scroll down, tap Manage Third-Party Access. Scroll down, enable this option. Also, find out Mobile Legend game. Remove the access from here. After this, open the Google Play Store. Type Google Play. Now install the app. Tap 3 dot, tap Setting. Scroll down, tap Change Account for Games. Tap Change. Now select a different Google account from here. Now if you still have any issues, let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching.